the most over-the-top way someone tried to humble you. So I post this selfie, right? Lighting's perfect. Hair's doing that accidental fluff thing. I'm looking in the camera like I just discovered self-worth for the first time. No filter, no caption pretending to be deep like the moon looks different tonight. Just vibes. An hour later, I'm feeling cute scrolling the comments. And then I see her, my ex-best friend's situationship's cousin, who I haven't spoken to since she ruined Secret Santa by gifting someone a used candle. She comments, "So real of you to post this even without makeup, you're so brave." I blink. No makeup? I was wearing full coverage foundation, concealer, eyeliner, lip gloss, setting spray. I contoured my jaw so sharp it could emotionally wound my ancestors. So I reply, "Ha ha ha ha, I'm literally wearing makeup." She goes, "No, I meant like the natural energy you bring. You're giving medieval tavern girl vibes." Medieval tavern girl. So now I'm not hot. I'm historically humble. I'm cute in the passes out from plague, but still bakes bread kind of way. I try to laugh it off, but she doesn't stop. Next day, I wake up to a DM from her. "OMG, this board reminded me of you. It's a Pinterest board titled Uglies I Love. First image, a goat in a bonnet. Second, a Victorian ghost with no eyebrows. Third, me, my selfie." She saved my photo in the goat board. I say, "Girl, why is my face between a livestock cosplay and a haunted portrait?" She replies, "Because you're unique. You have the energy of someone who reads books out loud to flowers." Ma'am, that is not a compliment. That's a cry for help in poetic form. Then it gets weirder. She invites me to her real beauty brunch. Dress code, raw femininity. No makeup, no deodorant, no bras to let the ancestors breathe. She says I'd fit right in. I decline before she throws sage at my face and tells me to emotionally exfoliate. 2 days later, she posts a TikTok called "Uplifting My Mid-Friends with Witchy Love." I'm in it. Slide number 1, a traffic cone. Slide number 2, a shriveled yam with googly eyes. Slide number 3, me. Caption, "True beauty isn't loud. Sometimes it just exists." Then she tags me and writes, "Normalize being confidently unfortunate looking." I'm not even mad. I'm just concerned. Is this what empowerment looks like now? Being compared to cursed produce? Moral of the story? If someone calls you bravely aesthetic and puts you next to a goat wearing Crocs, that's not love. That's emotional taxidermy in Canva. Block them before you end up in a slideshow called Muses of Humble Vibes.